안녕하세요. Chairman Kim Chu입니다.
Tila hindi pa rin nagsisink in kay Kim Chu ang natanggap na latest achievement bilang isang aktres. Kamakailan lang kasi, rumampa siya sa red carpet ng Seoul International Drama Awards 2024 upang personal na tanggapin ang parangal na Outstanding Asian Star. Ang event ay ginanap mismo sa South Korea noong Miyerkules, September 25. Sa Instagram, makikitang looking fresh at elegant ang kapamilya actress suot ang peach blush gown na disenyo ni Francis Libiran. I am in absolute disbelief and beyond grateful to attend this kind of international award-giving body, sabi ni Kim sa caption. Patuloy niya, it feels surreal, like a dream I haven't quite woken up from. Kasunod niya ng mensahe na, I want to extend my deepest thanks to everyone who believed in me, supported me, and helped make this possible. This moment is something I will cherish forever, aniya pa. Sa comment section, maraming fans at fellow celebrities ang proud na proud kay Kim. Kabilang na riyan ang kanyang on-screen partner na si Paolo Avellino, pati na rin sina Melay Cantiveros, Ami Castillo, Nikki Valdez, at marami pang iba. Kung matatandaan, noong Hulyo lamang nang ibinida ni Kim ang nasabing good news sa pamamagitan ng IG post. Proud niyang ipinakita ang invitation letter mula sa award-giving body na sinasabing siya ang nagwagi sa nasabing kategorya. Bukod sa kanya, ilan pa sa mga nagwagi sa kaparehong parangal ay sina Bayan Woo-sok at Kim Hae-yoon ng lovely runner ng South Korea, Siti Saleha mula Malaysia, Desmond Tan from Singapore, Ochi Rusdayana ng Indonesia and Win Metawin Opis Ayam Kahorn ng Thailand. Recently lamang, nominado si Kim bilang Best Female Lead in a TV Program Series sa Content Asia Awards ng Taipei, Taiwan. Ito ay dahil sa mahusay niyang pagganap sa drama series na Linlang.
이어서 팬분들 김치우 씨 수상 소감 부탁드리고요. 안녕하세요. Chairman Kim Chu입니다. I am truly overwhelmed to be standing here tonight. With pride and honor, I want to express my gratitude to these incredible people who made this moment possible. First, my company, ABS-CBN, Star Magic, Derek Lauren, who's here tonight. Thank you for always believing in me. I'm gonna cry. To the team behind the show Linlang or Deceit, Dreamscape Entertainment family, from the creatives, writers, directors, staff, to my co-stars. Without your hard work, guidance, passion, and vision, none of this would be possible. I share this honor with every single one of you. And to my ever-loving, supportive fans, this award is also for you. Your unconditional love, efforts, and belief in me have always been my source of strength, and for that, I am truly grateful. And lastly, I want to dedicate this honor to the person who is no longer with us, my boss, my mentor, and a dear friend, Sir Deo. He's the one who always pushed me to be my best. And he's the one who always guided me to do the best that I can be through hard work and led with kindness. And for that, Sir Deo, I want to honor this award with you. I wouldn't be standing here tonight without your trust and guidance and opportunities you gave me. Thank you so much, Sir Deo. I want to honor this award to you. And to Seoul Drama International Awards, thank you for this recognition. This is a dream come true for me to represent ABS-CBN and my country, Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Kamsahamnida.